How to sign out Gmail account on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign out of your Gmail account. Before we begin, make sure that you're connected with a stable internet. Now, you want to open the Gmail app on your device. Once you have opened this application, if you want to sign out or remove your Gmail account from this device, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here, a lot of options are displayed. Tap on the one that says Manage Accounts on this device, which is at the bottom of the options. Now, a list of all the Gmail accounts on your device will be visible. From here, you can also add new accounts. Now, you simply want to select the account that you want to sign out of or remove from this device. Then tap on the Remove Account option. It is going to ask you for confirmation. It also says that removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the device. If you want this, then tap on the Remove Account option. As soon as you tap on this option, that account will be removed and you will have successfully signed out of the Gmail account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.